welcome to another video. And what a special one we've got for you this week. So I'm out on the coastline of Kent. I'm down near Dover at a place called Hola Battery, which is an old World War II observation post, and it looks out over the channel, and basically was here so that any planes coming over, they'd spot them, try and shoot them down. Along this stretch here there was, I believe, 4 8-inch anti-aircraft guns, so they're all situated along the top, and we thought what a fitting place to start this camping weekend. But I better introduce you to who I'm with. So you could probably guess who I'm with already actually. So first of all, with Tom from Tom Outdoors and Paul from the Wandering Monk. They've joined me today, and it's actually going to be a 2-nighter, but it's not going to be all done here. So we're going to camp here tonight, and then tomorrow we are actually, I'm not going to tell you where we're going. All you need to know is I brought my passport. So we are going to do another World War II themed camp tomorrow night, down here by the English Channel. So I have with me a brand new tent, which was sort of gifted to me by Scatman Steve. If I like the tent, I'm going to buy it off him. If I don't like the tent, then he can have it back. But yeah, I'm in a Lanshan Pro 1. It's the first time I've ever set it up, just now actually. So it was a bit funny. We're on very sort of soft but long grass, so it looks like a marshmallow inside when you lie on it. It doesn't give it the feel that it's supposed to have. So, but I'm going to give it a go. There's not really much anywhere else I can sort of set the tent down here. And the Lanshan, if you don't know, is a walking pole tent. So I've had to pitch it with a walking pole inside. Now, because the ground is very soft, I've had to find a brick and put a brick under it just to give it that sort of rigidity to keep the tent up. But yeah, we'll show you that in a couple of minutes. But just want to admire this view. Myself and Tom have walked past here before on one of our North Downs Way videos, and we said we would love to come and camp here. So perfect opportunity, we are here. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll go and say hello to the guys, and I'll show you around our shelters for the night. Here's Paul. Needs no introduction, this man. He's in the Rubens
Starlight 2.
Starlight 2, I always forget that. Which is actually the tent he camped in when we did the North Downs Way section 1. But I'll show you in a different light here. It was in the woods last time. It's a beautiful looking tent. The bottom of it just sticks up. There's loads of room in there, loads of foot room. And of course, pitched it with a doorway looking out to this fabulous view. So we got a treat in the morning, and yeah, loads of room in there. Look at that, very neat. Looks like his wife's come in and done a bit of spring cleaning.
Yeah, thank you, look, Wandering Monk.
A few goodies for tonight. Look at that, and he's having chicken curry by the looks of it. Yep. Lovely jubbly. And then this is the Lanshan that I'm in tonight. So again, there's a lot of room in this one. Steve actually said that it was slightly too small for him. He is a bit taller than me. His feet sort of got cramped up at the ends, and he's actually bought the version 2, the Lanshan 2. So the Lanshan is basically like a Chinese tent, which is sort of like OEM. It's sort of off the shelf. Different brands sort of buy it, put their logo on it. I'm not actually sure who this one is by. I think it's on the door that I've rolled up. But there's a big vestibule area there. Keep my bag in there, my boots can go in there, and all my kit. And then because of the shape of it, got the bed across here, and then there's a little corner over there as well to put some other bits. My kit tonight is the usual pink mat, static, Climate Static V. I've got the Eurohike Adventure 200 bag. Inside there, got an OEX furnace inner, Bango pillow, Should be nice and toasty in there tonight. Let's go and see what Tom's got. So this is Tom next to me. Again, looking out over the awesome view. Which one is it, Tom? Bridge Raider, Hoop Bivvy. There we go. And he's it's got like quite a lot of space at the front of that, isn't it? Where your head goes.
Really, really spacious. Yeah, I quite like it. Yeah.
So yeah, this is Tom.
Hello.
Is it me you're looking for?
Oh.
We're kind of doing like a communal area in this bit, which we think may have housed some sort of gun. That looks like there's areas there where they put ammunition. Yep. But it's a perfect bit. It sort of drops down from where we are, keep us out of the wind, so we can do some cooking. And of course, these areas here make some good tables. So, what have you got there?
Cheers, Simon. Love you.
One of Tom's favourite hot chocolates now, isn't it?
Yeah.
What are they, Swedish?
Swedish, oh boy.
Oh hoy, oh hoy. Right, I think it's time to crack a beer open and get this show on the road. We got.
Would you like a marshmallow, sir?
2 weekends in a row.
Yeah.
Yes.
Petrol station's finest. Yes. Only £1. They do taste of petrol as well, I think.
I'd say more it's like diesel.
Artificial taste, definitely, but still. Anyways, we'll save some for Big Saucy over there.
Okay, we've decided to come down into the observation post just because it shelters us from the wind. It was getting a little bit chilly outside. So there's absolutely no wind in here. It's actually quite toasty. Yeah, and we're making use of our surroundings. There is 3 pillars here, which we think might have had, I don't know, like a light on it, do you reckon?
Maybe a
searchlight mounted on it. But there's 3 of us, 3 posts and 3 dinners. So each of us, we're going to be cooking on each of the pillars. So yeah, Tom's is here. What have you got, Tom? Curry, chicken curry?
Chicken curry.
You've got chicken curry.
I've got chicken curry as well.
I've got orzo pasta bolognese. So there we go. I'm not actually going to eat just yet because I am not hungry. But I'm sure when you two start eating, I think, bollocks, I'm hungry. But yeah, we just had a little sort of wander around here again. Noticed a few other things. It looks like there was some sort of joist up here that might have had a winch and like an area there. It's quite raised up outside, so they might have brought things in for storage and then used this to sort of winch it in maybe. There's all bits on the wall and whatnot there from when they were using it. And of course in the other room is where the fireplace is, just there. So that would have been out of the way from the observation bit there, so any fire, no one would have seen it. But we were just talking how sort of sombre it is that people would be stood in here, people flying over the top, firing bullets, and you're shitting yourself.
Yep.
You don't know if you're going to wake up in the morning, sort of thing. So it's massive respect for those people that were sort of involved in it and looking after our country, making sure we don't speak German. No offence, German people. But yeah, let's get some cooking on the go soon. Right, so it's about time for a bit of dinner. I've got 5-pot orzo pasta bolognese, a complete dehydrated meal, 635 calories per pack, lactose free.
Nice.
So at the minute, just boiling up about 300 mils of water. It's completely dehydrated, so I'll leave it 15 minutes once I put the water in. But I'm using my new titanium pot. which I bought from Tom. Thanks, mate. So it's new to me, but old to him. Unfortunately, my gas stove has decided not to work for some reason, so I'm actually on Tom's gas stove. The gas is sat on a chair outdoors. Way, gas canister stand. Check it out. Buy one. Brilliant bit of kit anyway. So yeah, we'll just let this boil up and then warm it up, tuck into it. Lovely. Right, dinner's about ready. Once again, it's watery. No matter how much, when you put it in like exactly what it says to put in, it always comes out watery, and it is the most annoying thing. But give it a go, the old bolognese and rice. Yeah, I never seem to like the fire pots very well. It's not the best thing in the world at all. I think I might keep away from these from now. I've tried enough of them. One, my brothers. Right, we got, Tom's giving us these, we thought they were beers, but apparently they're, spilling it. Apparently they're not. Crafted alcoholic cocktail. Ooh. Happy down, and Happy the can down. Looks like it's upside down.
Yeah, we like that.
So, I've got a raspberry, pomegranate, and basil, 4%.
And I have got, oh, where is it?
There.
Oh, lemon, cucumber, mint. Very nice. Cheers, mate. Thanks, Tom.
Cheers, mate. We got chocolate.
Toast and jam tea.
Oh, nice.
Now that is an unusual flavour. Feels like I'm in Liquid Envy.
Whoa.
It's not a nightclub. Yeah, I quite like that.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, that's quite nice.
What's this one?
Pomegranate,
Raspberry and basil.
Basil.
Alright, basil.
It's good, but I prefer that one.
Yeah, this is quite like, this like lemonade, isn't it?
Yeah.
Quite a nice one.
I give it 7.3.
I'm going to go for,
No.
because I like it, 7.5.
And it's a funky can.
See, I'd give that a 9 out of 10.
Ooh,
Yeah,
that's a high score.
And I would give that 7.8.
I suppose it's like a fruity cider though. Right, that is us for the night. We're all back in our shelters now. I'm just getting ready for bed. What a brilliant night it's been. Really, that observation post blocked all the wind for us, nice and warm in there. We didn't even think it was windy until we sort of stepped outside. But it's about, I think it's about 9:45 now. So we're gonna get a good night's sleep. We've got a busy day tomorrow. And I'll give this Lanshan a go, eh? So, I'm gonna put some warmer clothing on, make sure I'm nice and toasty tonight, and we'll see you in the morning. Whoa, good morning everyone. Woo! It's about 7:30 in the morning. It's very cold. We've woken up to a very overcast morning. However, the channel is very, very flat. It's like a piece of glass down there. So it's a little bit windy. And I didn't sleep very well just because of the wind on the tent was keeping me awake all night, but that's part of the game. That's what we do. So the Lanshan though was, I really like it. I do like it. So the outside is damp, as you can imagine from condensation, but none of that came inside. There's loads of space inside for airflow, so whether that helped or not, the inner bit with the netting, it was very saggy, so I think it's down to the fact that I haven't set it up properly, maybe on a bit of flatter, less sort of bumpier ground maybe, that might be better. But yeah, none of the water came through when it was hitting my head. I can see why Steve didn't like it with the fact that it's very short inside. I was touching both ends, but no, as an overall, I enjoyed it. It was a good tent. We'll see how it fares tonight when we go elsewhere. But I'm just walking back now to meet the lads this morning, say good morning in the observation post. And it looks like they've got breakfast on the go. Tom's airing out his fucking sling bag. What, you pissing it or something?
I'll tell you in a minute.
Off camera.
No, I didn't piss myself, no.
Right,
I'll tell you the story in a minute.
Right, something funny's happened, so right, I'll see you in a minute. In the observation post, we now know the reason why Tom's kit is drying. So I'm going to quickly tell the fans.
So basically, I haven't reproofed the floor of the bivvy, so that let water in, and I haven't reactivated the breathability on the material, so it didn't breathe well, so I was like a sauteed Tom all night.
Lovely. Well, at least it's drying off now, ready for tonight. Morning, Paul.
Morning.
Tucking into some
all day breakfast.
lovely jubbly.
Wayfarer, can't go wrong with it. Cheapest chits.
I think I'm going to head back and get some breakfast for me. I think I've got a mug shot I'm going to have for breakfast, something nice and easy to light. Get me going. Right, it is 8:15. Breakfast is ready. I've got chicken and mushroom pasta from Lidl. Turns out I'm supposed to cook it with butter and milk, but of course I don't have that. So there it is, done it with water. I suppose as long as the sauce is sort of made and the pasta's soft, that's all that matters really. Yeah, that'll do. That's not actually bad, that, to be fair. I can see if you put milk and butter in it, it would taste a lot creamier. But I'm going to chow down on this. So the lads need to shoot off to the little boys' room soon, so we're going to have to pack down as quick as we can.
Need a pool.
Right, that's us all packed up, ready to go. Day one complete, or night one complete. We've got a bag of rubbish, which we've collected some stuff from within this observation tower. We're going to take it away with us. Some yobbos have obviously been in there and smoking pot or whatever. So yeah, We're going to head down to the car, recharge our batteries, replenish our goods and stock and whatever, and then head off on the next adventure. So stay tuned, guys. See you in a bit. Oh, smells like France. Bonjour everybody. We have come to France for evening 2 of our wild camping special. We are here. How cool's that? Calais. So we obviously camped last night in the World War II observation tower. Now there is one on this side of the channel looking back at where we've just camped. So we're going to try and camp there tonight. We've just been dropped off at the ferry port and it's probably about 4 o'clock now, so we are actually losing light. It's very overcast, so we got to get a move on and crack on, try and find our way to the beach and then walk along the beach. So come with us, enjoy the rest of the video, we'll see you along the way. Right, so we've had a little trouble. We've only been in France 5 minutes. So our way that we was walking towards the beach basically goes over a footbridge over an entrance into a basin. It looks like they are actually, well, they've removed the road completely, so there's no bridge there whatsoever. Which is really annoying because now we've got to do another probably 2 miles, 2.5 miles maybe, around the edge of the basin to get back to that point we've just been at. Coach, we're keeping an eye out for buses and things just to see if there's anything to sort of get us there a bit quicker, but we're not having any luck at the minute. So we're just going to keep walking, and I suppose if anything interesting happens, we'll bring you back. What's happening? We've made it pretty much. We're at the entrance here to the sand dunes, and the Fort Lappin that we're staying at is literally on top of the hill. But we've got head torches out now, it's gone dark. I don't even know how many miles we've just walked, but it's a nightmare. We're just sort of working out for the morning what time we need to get back, so we need to leave early enough to make sure we catch the ferry. But yeah, we're gonna head up there now and we'll go show you around. Right, here's the start of it. It's quite hard to see. That is big. I'm so exhausted, I've got nothing to say yet. But yeah, these would have been German built, and they invaded France and then set them all up ready to attack England. And of course we all know how that one played out. We just got to find somewhere to camp now. We walked up onto the dunes to have a little recce. You can see the Port of Calais over there in the distance. It's very windy once we've come up on top. See the ferry over there. I found the next bit along. This thing is massive. We need to have a look at this in the daylight. Wow. This one's obviously falling down a bit.
It looks hard to climb up though.
Yeah, we're gonna have a look in there.
What do you reckon? I mean, look, we could even put it here.
How much it's like slid down over the years.
Over the years.
That's incredible. Right, that's us. We've had a mad rush putting our tents up on the beach. Found a little flat spot here. Tom's just over there behind this bit of grass. Now the pegs we brought, I'm hoping should hold through the night. It is quite soft sand, so I've tried to push them in as far as I can with my feet, like that. I changed them from the standard Y-shaped pegs to my OEX hooked top one, so that it gives it a bit more rigidity in the ground. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let's hope so. Let's hope we survive the night, eh? But there we go. Right, just gonna get ourselves sorted. It's the same setup as last night, by the way, no changes. So yeah, we'll get ourselves set up and get some grub on the go. It's getting chapping on here. Right, I've got my dinner, keeping me old ticker warm. Got a fire pot, posh pork and beans, 510 calories. It's been soaking away in a bit of water for a little while, and we're going to give this a go now. Knowing my luck and knowing my traditions with fire pot meals, they've never been very good for me, so I've had excess of these, so I'm just trying to eat them up really. They are actually out of date, so let's give it. Oh, I think I've had this one before. So it's not as watery as I normally make them. There's still a little bit of crunch in there. It's actually not too bad. Well needed after the long walk we've had today and how many hours we've been away. So we're stood here on the beach. We've got water fences to the left of me, water fences to the right of me. There's one down on the beach there. and in the morning we're going to get up and show you it all. But unfortunately tonight I think we're all just going to sort of chill out in our shelters and just sort of relax, get a bit of sleep. Didn't have a very good sleep last night, so hopefully I'll just go straight to sleep tonight. Sorry about the wind, by the way. I have got the mic on, but I won't know until I edit this whether it's any good or not. So yeah, right, we're gonna have a drink soon, so I'll eat this and then I'll show you what drink I've got, possibly in the tent. So yeah, cool. Right, welcome back. I'm chilling out in the tent. What was that? Tom. It was Tom. Just heard some voices shouting. So I'm chilling out in the tent. Paul's behind me, well, in front of me, behind you. Our vestibules, our doorways are opening so we can sort of chat to each other. Tom, I think, is going to come over in a minute. But I thought, kill the time. Drinking this, which I think Tom gave me. You didn't give it to me, did you? Tom. So this is the original Neapolitan milk stout, which I think is going to be minging. 6% by the Saugatuck Brewing Co. 3 bites in every sip. A creamy milk stout with all the brilliant flavours of Neapolitan ice cream in one glass, or can, in this instance. Taste the rich flavours of chocolate, vanilla and strawberry in this unique beer. Alright then. Okay, let's give it a go. Taste the strawberry coming through. Probably a bit of the chocolate. I think it overwhelms the vanilla a little bit. I can't really taste anything though. It's actually not too bad. So right, cool. We're gonna sit and chill out and chat for a little while, and I'll probably see you when I'm going to bed. Right, it's about 10:30 local time, and we're all knackered, so we're going to bed. See you in the morning. Good morning, welcome. Sunday morning, it's about 7:30. What a beautiful, beautiful morning on the dunes of Calais, overlooking this lovely sandy beach. Waves are rolling in. We've got the World War II defences up there behind me. There's some down here on the beach and up on the hill there. Oh, what a morning. We've scrambled. I packed away most of the inside of my tent already this morning while I was in there. The name of the game is to really get up and pack down really quick, because I really don't think we're supposed to be here. So, but yeah, I'll show you the tents really quickly. There's the Lanshan. Performed very well last night. Had a really good night's sleep. Beautiful bit of kit that is. And then you can see there we've got a rubbish bag down there which we're slowly filling up, bits and pieces. Reuben Starlight, still a brilliant tent, I love it. Loads of room. Paul even showed us it's got a secret window in it so you can peer out and watch us. That sounds perfect, doesn't it? It does a bit. And then Tom's in his Helix 100. Once again, great little tent again, slightly bigger than the Soul.
I have started packing away.
Yeah, started packing away.
I've packed my pillow away.
Whoa, this is a first. Tom's packing away first thing in the morning.
Watch what you say. We're in international territory, son. I can do what I want.
Turns out we're actually right next to the path, which is just here. Apparently some Frenchmen walking their dogs this morning. But yeah, right. Gonna pack this down now and come back to you in a minute, and we will go and have a look at the World War II defences. Right, we're leaving camp now. Paul's got a bag of rubbish. Lovely jubbly. I was here, Paul was there, Tom was there. We're going to have a look at these German defences and then head off that direction back to the town. Right, here we go. Here is a German gun building. So I would have had a turret coming out of there, firing over at the ships. I'm going to try and get up and inside. Right. Let's go and have a look. Wow. Look at this. That's the view out. Right. In here, back room. Very dark, but you can see here, there are the windows there where they would have thrown the ammo down, ready for the gun to be reloaded. Go up the back, little window there, with a little metal hatch. Keep an eye on people coming out the back. It is very dark in there. And then out the back here is the old staircase, which would have been how you got in. Where it's obviously sunk down, it's no longer accessible. So there's a big drop. And then another little window there, seeing who's coming in the building. And then another entrance way into where the gun turret would have been. It's a big old room, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a lot here. Yeah, it's decent.
Just like that, the English would have been invading over, keeping the Germans back. Right, I've come off the beach now and we've just gone past this cemetery, so I thought I'd come in and have a look at how sort of French cemeteries are. And these, I mean, these must have some money, these people. They're big old gravestones. Ah, bless. I think that's a young person, football on the back there. And then behind it is some more sobering, like a somber thought. There's the military graves. Wow, look at that. No poopy. You can't come to France without having a croissant. Oh, they're so good. Also wouldn't be in France without a pain au chocolat. Lovely, lovely. And then to finish off our French breakfast, we've got French eclairs. So I got a vanilla one. Tom's got, well, it's the French version of a Lotus Biscoff.
Yeah.
Speculoos it's called.
It's heavy, but that is dense.
Wow.
That's food porn.
Wow, that is amazing. Right, we've finally made it to the port of Calais. The building behind us is the terminal building where we're going to go and sit in there and chill out. We're very, very early as we had to get a taxi from the centre of Calais to the port, which was €20 by this taxi service. Highly recommended, English speaking. I had a good chat with them on the way over to the port. So yeah, we're just gonna go and chill out, I suppose. I think there's a coffee machine in there. I'll go get a coffee.
And toilets.
And toilets for Tom. Tommy toilet.
I need another poo.
Right, let's go in.
Yeah.
Welcome to the end of the video. Welcome. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of our epic 2-night special, World War II special, where obviously we camped Dover side and then got the ferry across to France. We can actually still see France in the distance. It's a very clear day. Thanks to these guys, Tom Outdoors, Paul, Wandering Monk. Subscribe to them, links are below. What else is there to say? Apart from I'm knackered and I want to go home and I want to have a shower. But that is all.
And
so
we've come back a little bit French.
we have.
Yes.
Oui. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay classy, San Diego. I'll see you later. Bye, amigo. Bye. Au revoir. Au revoir.